Hi, I'm Koen. I'm Central Market's meat specialist.
What is a ribeye?
A ribeye comes off the loin. It's one of my favorite steaks. It's my favorite steak, to be totally honest. I mean, I would grill it or sear it, really fast, put it in the oven maybe a little bit at about 375 and let it sit. I like it mostly medium rare. If you overcook a steak, it's always going to get a little tougher. We like it medium rare, about 130 degrees, pull it off, let it sit a little bit, let it rest till about 135. It makes the best steak ever. A sirloin comes off the rump end. It's an underrated steak. It's a very tender steak if you don't overcook it. That's the key on that one. It's very juicy. Again, rare to medium rare, 140 degrees, I'd say max inner temperature, and let it sit a little bit. That is the most underrated steak, but one of the better steaks ever to eat if you want to have a good value for what you're going to get. A T-bone, again, that's one of the harder ones to cook. It's got a bone in it, of course, but it's got the tenderloin as well as the strip loin on it, so you get best of both worlds, right? Again, the internal temp, 140 medium rare, is the best way to cook a steak. It's a flank steak. A lot of people call it bavette, but it's a flank steak. That's, you want to marinate that one for about 24 hours, whether with a dry rub or you do a wet marinade. I prefer dry rubs, but you got to be careful in the dry rub with the salt content because you don't want to draw the moisture that's in there out of it because it's already a very dry steak. But you want to go fast heat. And then again, 130 degrees max on that one because it goes really quick, it's really thin. And then if you cut it in an angle and it eats phenomenal. Standing rib roast, there's so many ways to do it. For me, the simple way is I cut the bones, tie them back on. I come home, I season it, I rub it the night before. Then I put it in an oven pan. I rub it with butter all the way around. Put it on a bed of butter, more butter the better. No oil, butter, real butter. That's all I need, salt and pepper. Put it in the oven at 375 and I baste it throughout the day. It's about 10-12 minutes per pound to cook that one. And again, I want to get medium rare, 135 usually, pull it out of the oven, let it sit, just go to 140, keeps cooking a little bit. But that's the simplest way and it never disappoints. It never disappoints. When you dry age a steak and you want to cook it, a lot of people want to put it on the grill. I would suggest cook it with a little bit of moisture at that point in time. Again, butter is the way to go. Or some tallow now, right? A lot of people cook it with tallow. We sell tallow at our stores. That brings that moisture a little back to the steak, but you still get that dry aged flavor. Really beefy, really good. When you come to Central Market in the meat department, if you don't see it, just ask for it. We'll have it. We can get it for you. It will delight you and your dinner will be served.